Showing you this NORTIV shoes. These are the winter shoes for adults, and the snow boots. Outdoor, it can also be used as an outdoor thing, but basically they are the winter shoes. And you can see this as zipper, and the side is really solid with the all waterproof design and the solid insole to bear like no slip and the skitless soles. So this one is on the chain and can expand. So there's a the soft insole and the warm or the protective feeling inside. All this waterproof thing, top corner or the top layer, fits really well, looks good, and then it's comfortable as well. The zipper is tightly locked, so this shoe will not fall off, and nice pair of shoes.